Hello everyone, good morning. I hope you are good. So today
Good
we'll
morning.
start. Yep. So today we'll start our real session about the Salesforce administrator. Okay. So till now, and you have any question query in previous session like some demo and one class. So you can ask me in this session. Otherwise, we can go ahead in next level. Okay. So I will take as no. And today I will show you like Salesforce offer three classification of services, right? Like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. So SaaS is nothing but it's a software as a services, right? That is called Salesforce.com. So Salesforce.com always work with SaaS application. Okay, that is called ready-made application in Salesforce, or we can say that like this is pre-built application in Salesforce, like SaaS application. For example purpose, Salesforce.com is the SaaS application, right? And SaaS is nothing but it's a ready-made application and a predefined application, and we can purchase that application as a rental basis. Okay, so suppose if you want to purchase some rental basis plot or something like shop or some any software, so you can purchase, or we can say as a rental basis purpose. Okay, that is called SaaS application. Okay, when the customer is utilize the ready-made application on the rental basis to automate his business process or his and her business process, then we can call it as a software as a service as a rental purpose. The main things under the SaaS is as a ready-made application, or we can purchase this ready-made application as a rental basis, right? Monthly basis, yearly basis, or we can say that day basis. Okay, so ready-made application that is called Salesforce CRM. Under the Salesforce CRM, and you know very well like CRM is nothing but customer relationship management, or we can automate all the existing or new customer information at a single place, 360 degrees, or we can say that 24 hours 7 days, any place, anywhere, anytime. You can track each and every customer activity, or you can store in particular places, that is called CRM. Okay, we can maintain and track the customer interactions. So we can track the customer interaction means one by one collaborations, or we can say that day by day calls to the customer with the help of CRM. Maintain 3-degree view of the customer. We can maintain 360-degree view of the customer. Okay, so we can increase the customer revenue as well. Okay, definitely if you follow these all terms here to here, so that is called CRM, and we can increase our productivity as well without any cost. Okay, for example, let's say Salesforce CRM 2000. This is a one CRM that is called 2000. Other CRM like Sibal CRM, PeopleSoft, MS Dynamics CRM 365, Synergy, NetSuite, SAP, and Oracle CRM, and Adobe as well. So it's having some drawback in this CRM. Okay, so what is the drawback in this CRM? So here you can see like drawbacks in existing CRM application. Okay, like purely on premises. I will explain on premises and on demand application in upcoming minutes. Okay, so purely on premises, and the second point is no coding tools. So these all CRM doesn't have any coding tools. So if you want to do some customization and configuration, so like customization, so always go first Apex programming language. Okay, so without Apex we cannot do anything under the customization. Okay, so please keep in your mind we have two things under Salesforce: customization and configuration. Okay, so customization is nothing but it's a on code, so developer can do these things like you and me also can do these things. Okay, but configuration things is totally depends on the administrator. So it's a point and click tool or declarative tool or declarative programming. Doesn't need any coding requirements or coding. Okay, under the configuration part. Like for example purpose, in upcoming session we will learn what is workflow, process builder, flow builder. That is called automation tool in Salesforce. Okay, to automate your business or your needs. Okay, so just like a point and click tool, just drag and drop some functionality and you can uh, increase your revenue based on your requirement. Some automation tool is there in Salesforce. Okay, so it's a totally based on the premises and no coding tools. They won't be provide any platform like coding requirements or IDE, something like that. Okay, and the CRM, Salesforce CRM having some benefits, like it's the number one first demand on demand application, cloud CRM, you know very well, world's number one leader in Salesforce space. So this is the number one CRM. So if you want to see this number one CRM is there or not, so just go ahead in Google and search like Salesforce CRM one, has no one CRM like that. So this is the one website. This is the officially website. Or just go ahead and let me show you Salesforce this release, or just click this one India IN. So just here you can see this one. This is the Salesforce website, and you can see this all things like Salesforce has one number one CRM, and this is the number one ranked comparison to another CRM. Let's say Adobe, SAP, Microsoft, and Oracle. You can see the 23.9% revenue rank. We can say that. Okay, in the last 2017 to till now, you can see the observation of the Salesforce comparison to other CRM, right? So this is another thing. So here you can see we can be fitted for any organization, for any team size. So it's automatic, recognize your team size and your customer requirement. So we can increase our uh, team size or organization. We can fit in particular places, like we have purchased already purchased some Salesforce edition like enterprise edition, professional edition, developer edition, or unlimited edition. So based on your edition, so it's automatic fitted in your organization or based on your team size. Okay, so if you want to expand or if you want to add something, so you can add some like a number of license, so you can add on. Okay, so don't worry about that. Salesforce provide this functionality as well here. So second services is like platform as a services. So this is very most important for us because most of the time like out of box functionality. Okay, so we can do with the help of PaaS. So there is a three services, you know very well, SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. So these all three services common for all IT industry, not for common for this Salesforce environment, right? So it's a common, it's a for, and we can say that these all services common for all, not specific for Salesforce. Please keep in your mind these things. Okay, so it's a common for all technology like .NET, PHP, Java, Python, machine learning, AI, IoT. There are so many things, blockchain, something like that. So it's a common for all, not for specific this Salesforce, right? So PaaS is nothing but platform as a services, and platform is nothing but it's a kind of developer environment, and platform always keep in your mind like force.com. In Salesforce we have force.com, that is called platform. Under this platform we can develop our development environment and develop the custom application, that is called banking, financial, manufacturing, healthcare, pharma, e-commerce, etc, based on your need. So before that, here you can see like we have some standard application. We already discussed about some standard application like sales, service, marketing. So these all application comes under the standard application. But come to the this customization things and out of the box functionality things. So this is the custom application like banking, finance, manufacturing, and healthcare, be pharmacy and e-commerce, something like that, right? So these all some custom application developed by the developer you and me, you can create these all things, right? And also we have some benefit of force.com platform, like just like some like it's a cloud platform which doesn't require any installation, so it's having some benefits, like do not don't use anything to pre-installation or pre-request, like server, wires, infrastructures, or some computers, laptops. No need worry about these all things, because it's a cloud. So cloud is nothing but it's the internet, so you can do everything with the help of internet and browser. So no need worry about everything, like some setup, pre-request, something like that. So no need worry about in Salesforce, right? So come to the another technology, like I am from some .NET background, for example purpose. So we have to installation some SQL server, management studio, and Visual Studio, and some another Angular JS framework. Okay, so we have to install some node JS as well. So this is the pre request or pre-installation things. So in Salesforce we don't use these all things, because it's not required, because Salesforce CRM always works on the cloud, on the fly, on the internet, right? So we can do all the things with the help of internet and browser. Okay, browser anything you can use, like Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Opera Mini, or Brave, or Internet Explorer on Microsoft Edge, something like that. So don't worry about that. Okay, so based on your need, so you can use. So no need to worry about any pre-installation under force.com platform. So we can customize the existing Salesforce CRM application. Suppose we have some banking application, manufacturing application, and pharmacy application. So how to customize these things? So we can customize with the help of force.com platform, right? Then we can leverage the features by adding an additional enhancement. So you can add your own custom logo, custom objects, custom fields, custom validations, custom workflow, custom process builder, custom flow builder, custom Apex class, custom Visual Force Space, custom Aura component, custom LWC, Lightning Web Component, and custom integration as well. So you can do everything in a single place as your need. Like out of box functionality we can do with the help of force.com development environment, right? So I hope you are clear. Okay, so here you can see we can leverage features and additional things enhancement. We can develop our custom application from the scratch. So we already did these things in a demo session, like how to create the app, but I will show you in upcoming session how to create our project level app in real time. So don't worry about that. So we can develop our custom application. Okay, so we can integrate the Salesforce application with external system. So we have lots of integration, so no need worry about like some limitation integration is there in Salesforce. No, we can do everything, like some SOAP API or REST API. Okay, like bulk API, streaming API. There are so many API. API is nothing but it's a application programming interface. So we can integrate like Facebook, WhatsApp, for example, purpose, Netflix, Twitter, or Google Sheet, or we can say that anything as you want, like YouTube. Okay, you can integrate each and every functionality under the Salesforce. So no restriction. It's a free, and you can do your own code, and you can integrate, and you can take benefit your side. Okay, so we can integrate external system as well, right? Then force.com platform offer the below programming language. So this platform like force.com provide me and provide you two approach of the programming language. Like first is Apex programming language. So if you have good knowledge about the administrator, so you can move to the development. Okay, I know everything in Salesforce, so don't worry about that. Like there are so many modules like Salesforce administrator, development, lightning, integration, community cloud, digital experience, sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, health cloud. There are so many things. Okay, so I know everything in Salesforce, but I'm not expert each and every term. Okay, but you know very well, practice makes man perfect, so you can do everything and you can expert. But in the world, no one in expert in every technology. Okay, so here you can see like Apex programming language. So we can build our custom logic under the Apex programming language, right? And Visual Force programming language. So with the help of Visual Force programming language, it's a kind of development framework. It's a web development framework. So web is nothing but like if you want to design some your website or some web pages, so you can develop by this framework that is called Visual Force page. And to use this design attribute interaction and dynamic user interaction, so you can use this Visual Force programming language. Okay, so we will learn this Apex programming and Visual Force programming in development section. Okay, right now we are learning administrator from scratch to advanced. So this is scratch. So I will take 1 or 2 classes as a scratch, then we will move the next level that is called real-time experience. Okay, so no need worry about all the things. So here you can see third services that is called IaaS. So infrastructure as a services. So services is nothing but it's a storage space. Like I want to host my website in GoDaddy, Hostinger. There are so many vendors there to hosting the your site, or some Wix website as well. You know, like Wix Wix. Okay. So this is the another web platform you can build your website in a few seconds or few minutes. Okay. Just point and click tool is there. Just drag and drop and build your website. Okay. So it's time saving process. So services is nothing but it's a storage space. We can manage the performance, security, backup, and restore disaster recovery. So these all kinds things have under the services. Okay, so like if you have some storage services, performance, security, and backup issues, so always go this IaaS, infrastructure as a services. So in Salesforce, that is called instances. Server is nothing but instances, or instances is nothing but servers. So we have 3 regions in Salesforce, like NA, EU, AP. So NA is nothing but it's a North America region, or EU or EMEA means European region, and third one is AP means Asia Pacific. That is called India. Right now we are living in India, so that's why my instance name is AP. If you are living in North America, so you can see your instance as a NA. So how to recognize this thing? Let me show you in my org. Like just a second. Yeah. So let me log in first here. Yeah. So you can see I just logged in my org. I just logged in here, and how to find our instances. So before that you can see in your URL, but Salesforce is very smart, so that's why it's removed here, because some security reason purpose. Okay, and how to recognize the instances and how to find your instances. So let me go to the setup. Okay, once you go this setup, so you have to search like company information, right? So under the company information in quick find, just search company information. Okay, and here you can select company information. Okay, just click this one and just go ahead, and you can see each and every term here. Like my company name is TCS, so you can see this TCS and how to create your developer account. So I will show you in soon. Okay, so suppose that my company is TCS, and here you can see like organization name TCS, primary contact this one. I just already added this one, so don't worry about that. So here you can see each and every term, like which default local is there, like English United States, I use this one. Default time zone, it's a standard America, Los Angeles. Okay, data spaces and file, like use file spaces. API request, like last 24 hours, how many API you want to send or request the response, something like that. Okay, and here you can see your Salesforce organization ID. This is the organization ID, And always remember, and please keep in your mind, Salesforce always work multi-tenant architecture. Okay, and also Salesforce using Oracle database internally. So Salesforce have only one database and we have multiple orgs. So how to recognize your org is there or not? So with the help of org ID, we can organize or we can find your org under the Salesforce. Well, we have lots of thousands or lakhs there like organization. So how to find your own organization in Salesforce? So with the help of organization ID, you can find out. Okay, and here you can see like organization edition. This is the developer edition, and here you can see my instance like AP27 means ACI specific, right? This is the ACI specific 27. This is the instances. This is the server where it is located, ACI specific AP. Okay, so you can go ahead and check out these things as well. Okay, so how to find out my instances is proper working or not? So just click in new tab and search like status.salesforce.com. Just go ahead this side and check out that things like instances, and there are so many things is available here like Salesforce services, marketing cloud, that is called MC, social studio, and B2B commerce cloud, experience cloud. Okay, so let me click this marketing cloud here. Okay, and here you can see like region America or EME, European specific. So you can search your instances, like my instances is AP. Once you search this AP, which one? Like 27. So there is a no AP here because of, like, let me show you, some pagination is there, or just click this Salesforce services, and now you can see my AP here like AP27, where it is, you can see my instance like AP27. So you can easily understand with the help of some icons like this green icon, right? Green icon, you can see like this is available. This small icon, this is warning, that is called performance degradation, and this is cross icon means service disruption, and this small setting icon, that is called maintenance. So our instances is AP27. So let me check AP27 here. So you can see AP26 and 7 here. Like just click this one AP27 and you can check the history about this instance earlier, like last 1 year, last few of couple of months. You can check these all things, right? So it's a winter 22 patch 14.4 is region is ACI specific, and maintenance window is Saturday this time UTC, right? And core services, live agent, search, all the things is green, means these all available now. Just click this history part or history tab and you can check the history last 24 hours, last 3 days, last 7 days based on your need, or you can select your custom as well, like this is the calendar and you can check. Okay, like core services, any degradation or any problem is there or any bugs is there, so you can check and go ahead, like live agent, billing, and all the things, right? And just here you can see like history, and another tab is maintenance. Just click this maintenance and you can see each and every history about this instance like AP27, because it's our instance, so you have to need to check these all things about this AP27. Suppose that any bugs is there in last 1 week or last couple of days, so always check these things in your org, these all things. Okay, so this is the site like status.salesforce.com, or you can check. And another site is like remove these things and you can search like trust. Let me search like trust.salesforce.com. Okay, this one. Just click this salesforce.com and you can see success they build on trust, and trust start with a transparency. Okay, this is the Parker Harris, co-founder of Salesforce, and this is some quotation. Okay, so this is the another website to check your instances like system status, security, compliance. Okay, like that. Here you can see like status.salesforce. This is another website like B2B, Commerce Cloud, Service Cloud, Sales Cloud, Analytics Cloud, Force.com, and Studio, Social Studio. You can check Tableau as well, like trust.salesforce.com. Tableau also acquired by the Salesforce in last 1 year or most of the 6 months before. So it's acquired by the Salesforce, Tableau as well. Par.Heroku, status.MuleSoft, Trust. There are so many things. So you can check and you can learn something from, right? This is all about trust.salesforce.com. Okay. Now let me explain another things for you. Like there are so many vendors in the market. Okay, so how to, for example purpose, like Amazon also provide the cloud functionality or cloud services. Okay, Facebook also provide these things like some cloud space. Salesforce.com is one of the most example, and Google, Microsoft, Oracle, Alibaba, GoDaddy, Citrix. So these all vendors in market right now, and based on your vendor, it can be provide you the space based on your need, based on your budget, something like that, right? So this is some cloud vendors, right? So here you can see software. So what is software? So anyone can me explain these things? What is software? Because if you have some background knowledge or background like some programming or some computer background, so you can explain me this software. What is software? Otherwise I will explain these things. Anyone? Okay, so I will take as a no, so don't worry about that. So software is nothing but is a collection of the many files or collection of the functions. Okay, and function is nothing but is a set of instructions, like some algorithms is there. Then here you can see like software automate the business process, that is called software. Like if you want to go some Domino's, some restaurant like Domino's or any McD, so you can see one billing machine, right? So it's a automatic recognize your order and give you some like some amount, like this is your order and you have to pay this amount here. Okay, so there are some machines there automatic detect your payment and something like that. That is called software. Under that machine you can see the software, right? And here you can see we have two types of application in the world, like on-premise application and on-demand application. So let me first explain this on-demand application, on-premise application, that is called required the pre-installation of the software in the devices. So in this application have some drawback because we have some pre-installation requirement, right? Like mobile application, for example, just I purchase one mobile for example purpose, like anything like iPhone 13 Pro or something like this is the latest one. And also in iPhone, I want to install some WhatsApp for chatting purpose or messaging purpose, or for example like say messenger of the Facebook. Okay, so how to use this application under the mobile? So first of all you have to go in particular Mac storage or Mac Play Store, okay, or Google Play Store, or you can search your app like WhatsApp and Messenger as you want and install in your mobile, and then give your number and verify your number, and then you can start your chat with your friends, right? So this is the way and this is the process to chat with your friends, right? Same thing you can apply here, like mobile application, MS Office, sorry. So this is MS Office means suppose I want to do some work like some Excel sheet, or I want to make some PPT or maybe some Word document, like let's say some resume. Okay, so how to make this without any online services like Google Sheet, and there are so many uh, sources available in internet to use online as a services. Okay, but I'm going to explain how to use this MS Office under this on-premise application. So you have to install this MS Office under your system. Without uninstalling these things, so you cannot access the Excel, Word, or PPT, something like that, PowerPoint. Okay. So first of all, you have to install this MS Office. Otherwise, you cannot use these services. Like I want to learn some C language, Java and C++. So how to do that? So without Turbo C++ or JDK or NetBeans, or we can select Eclipse, we cannot do everything. So first of all, we have to install the software in your device. Otherwise, you cannot work, right? So it's have some drawback. So drawback is, here you can see the drawback, like required pre-installation. Please keep in your mind of the software in your devices, losing the customer business and revenue profit also, because it's having some cost, because MS Office is not free. Okay, it's a some licenses software. Also same thing to apply, Java is open source, but if you want to use some extra features or enterprise application, so you cannot use as a free software, right? So you have to purchase as a license key and something like that. So in on-premise application, losing the customer business and revenue and profit also. And upgradation things, suppose previously you can see like MS Office 2007 previously, now you can see 210 2010, after some time it's came like 13, after that you can see like 16, and nowadays you can see like 2021 new Office. So it's need me to upgrade my system day by day or upcoming days. Same thing you can apply in your window machine. If you are using any window machine, so you can see like Windows 7, after that you can see Windows 8, and after that you can see Windows 8.1, then Windows 10, and Windows 10, after that you can see Windows 11. Right now I'm using Windows 11. You can see this is new logo and new interface, right? And also this is upgradation thing is there in on-premise application. Please keep in your mind these things. So it's have some drawback. So drawbacks is nothing but it's a pre-installation required, losing customer business revenue and profit, and upgradation things, right? So let me explain another application that is called on-demand application. So this is the very most important nowadays on-demand application, that is called cloud application. So if you are working as a AWS engineer or DevOps, okay, or any cloud technology, so all comes under the on-demand application. So it's a very hot application, or we can say hot demand application in the market. So here you can see doesn't require any pre-installation. So no need to worry about any pre-installation like MS Office, any software and any kind of software like C, Java, C++, mobile application, something like that. So you have to use internet and browser. These all two things required, internet and browser. So without browser, how can you use internet? Okay, and how can you open the Google without a browser? Okay, so these all terms like internet and browser, both two things very important for us if you want to work on the cloud technology, right? And can accessible any smart devices, phones, tabs, and laptop, any other. So you can access these application like cloud application and on-demand application, any devices, any smartphones, any tabs, any laptop, or any devices based on your need, right? So this is all about the types of application and on-premise application and on-demand application. This is a very most important concept in IT industry, right? So let me explain you like another things like cloud services. Okay, so there are so many cloud in Salesforce, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Digital Cloud, Community Cloud, Health Cloud, or we can say that another cloud is there. Okay, so based on your need, so you can choose. Okay, like Service Cloud, Sales Cloud. Under Sales Cloud, you can see like application sales, application object is this one. So under this Sales Cloud application, Sales Cloud and Sales application, you can see these all tabs in ready-made application. So let me show you this one. So let me go. First is this app launcher, and you have to search like sales. So you can search your application as well from here, like sales. Just click this sales, and after that you can see my sales application with all tabs like home, opportunity, leads, task, files, accounts, all the things, right? And once you click this more, you can see all tabs as well here, like. So with the help of this example, you can see like leads, account, contact, opportunity. So you can see all the things like opportunities, accounts, contact, lead as well, like this leads, right? So this is all about the sales cloud and sales application. Okay. So this is the example like Apple, Samsung having A70 and it's having some cost and having 1 year warranty and having internal memory like 8 GB. Okay, so based on your need or based on your budget, so you can expand these all things and you can purchase high memory extendable, or we can say that like STC and LG mobile, something like that, based on your needs, so you can take. Okay, come to the service cloud. So what is service cloud? And we have some service application in Salesforce that is called predefined application, pre-built application in Salesforce. Okay, so how to move that? So you can change this application. So before that, you can see my sales application here, right? This highlighted area, you can see this sales application, right? So how to move our service application? So just click this lightning app launcher and search service, and now you can see service. Just click this service, and here you can see my service application, these all. And here you can see like service and these all tabs related to the service cloud. Okay, so this is a service application. Here you can see, right? Under this service application, you can see these all object, account, contact. This is all standard object, predefined object given by the Salesforce. And feature is knowledge base, communities, live agent. We can enable the omni-channel, chatbot, light chat, CTI, computer telephony integration, and G division, energy like G security, or turbine, oil and gas domain like Reliance, Sales, BPHP, ONGC, United Oil and Gas Corporation, something like that, right? So these all features comes under the service cloud, and we can enable these all features under the service cloud and sales service application as well. So I hope guys you are clear. So do you have any question, query till now? So you can ask me. Otherwise we can wrap up. Anyone? So I will take as a no. So guys, see ya. Bye bye. We will meet soon in next session. Same place, same time. Thank you.